Dollar index H4 time frame. Since this low, you can see intraday H4, it is making higher high with higher low. So clearly intraday chart is now bullish, and compared to H4, when you see monthly and weekly, explained so many times, in this area near 99 there is a big support zone. So intraday time frame will not break down this support and it will bounce. So previous week head and shoulder chart pattern complete, neckline breakout, retest, new higher high. But now we have one more trend line. They tested 3 times. But if price goes down, then the support area 98 can be support level or field retracement. But this trend line is only dynamic resistance. And if we see last week FOMC meeting, short term they are saying wait and see, which make hawkish, because until data show recession, economic weakness, Fed will not cut. This sounds same like September 2023 FOMC meeting, when they repeat higher for longer, then pivot in December FOMC meeting. So because of wait and see language, short term hawkish and long term, you can see last 1 year, during that time gold goes up $1,000, because market always know what is right, what is wrong. So now they are predicting stagflation. So if we see asset price in stagflation, investors were dumping dollar, they were dumping US treasury, and they were buying gold. So if stagflation continue, that means this trend will continue. If stagflation stop, over, because Fed now see risk of stagflation, then first thing first, this trend must stop. So if price goes up more, then next upside resistance is 103. So overall this area 100 can be big static support level, 103 can be static resistance. Euro USD H4 time frame, that head and shoulder chart pattern, neckline breakdown, retest as triangle chart pattern, then new lower low. So if price goes up, you will see counter trend correction, downside target, clear static support level. GBPUSD H4, a double top on 134 static resistance and support area 325. Wait for breakdown. On retest you will sell again. But if you see daily chart, then price testing resistance, if it goes down 131 for static support, then this trend line next dynamic support level. Last week we saw UK USA trade deal, but funny thing is what they achieved with their trade deal. There was 10% tariff before that deal, before the tariff drama, and same tariff rate after last week deal, because secretly it was China embargo to stop all export coming out of China. So their economy collapsed. They only do what US forced them to do. And like Trump said before election, every country or central bank who were buying gold 100% tariff, same thing he did. If after that deal, if China tariff goes down, Trump said 80% last week, after deal it can come before Monday open or entire next week, Monday to Friday. So if tariff rate goes down, and we have to wait for data, if China central bank stop buying gold, that's when this thing is clear. Trump punishing China for dumping dollar, for dumping bond and buying gold. Otherwise, what is the benefit of this trade deal? If China does not buy their dollar and their bond does not stop buying gold, then what is the ultimate goal of this tariff drama. So you can say 145% tariff or China embargo. USD JPY daily time frame, you can see big bounce from 141 support area, and now price is back near first resistance 146. This is a big resistance level and 141 big static support level. So price is doing new sideways range between support and resistance. USDCAD daily chart, you can see this trend line and big bounce on daily time frame, and this static support level 138. So trend line and static support, a support zone and big bounce from support zone area. Since we are bullish on dollar against other thing, next resistance can be 142. If it retraces, you will buy dip, but target 142 and support 138. This is simple technical, a big bounce from trend line and a static support zone. I have already made a full detailed video on Bitcoin before their FOMC. Explained in that video, this FOMC can be historic for asset price. Last week, finally Bitcoin goes up, close over 100k, because something happened in that FOMC meeting. For all technical and fundamental, watch this video. Silver daily time frame, big static resistance and big support, still same 29 and 34, no change. But silver is sideways near 78% retracement of this last week. So dollar is moving, gold is moving, Bitcoin is flying, but silver is locked sideways on same price area, no major change. GDX monthly time frame, since gold doing correction below 3500, when it crashed $100 in one day, everyone start asking is this stop or not. But during this time, GDX is doing a sideways correction below this high near 52, no support before 45. If gold goes down this week again, because monetary policy is bearish and fiscal policy, that's when your Trump tariff, they're punishing every country who are doing de-dollarization, dump dollar, buy gold, starting with China, and at the same time Fed predict stagflation. So monetary policy clearly bearish for gold last week, verified by price action. If nice trade deal come this week, especially China tariff goes down, then gold will go down. In that condition, GDS can easily dip below $45. US oil monthly time frame, after big static support $65 breakdown, a clear closing below support level. Now everyone is saying big banks, oil can go back to $40. That is big long-term support, favorite from Trump. But now it need a counter trend correction and upside is up to $80. SP 500, when Trump pivot on 4800 level after 61% retracement up to 56.46. Now Trump is saying before Fed cut interest rate, before that buy stock, because when Fed cut interest rate, that will be jet fuel and stock will go up. Dollar index weekly time frame, you can see last 3 weekly candlestick, all of them are blue, because there is a big support zone on monthly time frame in this area. So counter trend correction is happening. When Fed ready for stagflation risk, predict stagflation after 1 year, then all the people who are doing de-dollarization, dumping dollar, trend must stop. That is first thing. If reverse, when dollar was falling, it made new lower low, they were raising tariff. If tariff reverse, then dollar trend can also reverse. But compared to this wave, you can see this length, this counter trend correction is very small. It need more upside correction.